searching 10 million files in 0.02 seconds. Sounds like magic, but it's just smart indexing. 2 Linux commands chase this problem, and they solve it in completely opposite ways. Find walks the file system live. Every search is a real tree traversal, calling stat on each entry as it descends. That means it's always accurate, but it's bound by the size of the tree and the speed of your disk. Locate takes a different path entirely. It reads a pre-built index, like flipping to a book's table of contents instead of reading every page. The index is a flat database, so lookups are nearly instant. That index lives at /var/lib/mlocate.db. It's rebuilt nightly by a cron job called updatedb, running from /etc/cron.daily. Locate just queries the database. It never touches your disks. The config file /etc/updatedb.conf controls what updatedb skips. Prin paths excludes virtual and volatile paths like /tmp, /proc, and /mnt. Printfs excludes network and virtual file systems so the index stays clean and small. Instant speed comes with a trade-off, staleness. Brand new files are completely invisible until updatedb runs again. And the database is world readable, meaning a user can discover file names of files they could never actually open. That's information disclosure. So, when to use which? Reach for locate when you know a substring and want it fast. Reach for find when you need live precision, recent files, or filters on size, time, or permissions. Locate is one of the fastest ways to find files on a Linux system because it does not walk the directory tree at query time. Instead, it queries a pre-built database maintained by mlocate. Let me show you exactly how that works under the hood. First, we confirm where the locate binary lives on the system. The which command resolves any executable to its absolute path on disk. Now we peek inside the directory that holds mlocate's pre-built index. This database file is what makes locate so much faster than find. With a simple substring, locate instantly returns every path that matches password, anywhere in its index. No file system traversal needed. We pipe through head so the screen stays readable. To prove how comprehensive the index is, we count every path ending in .conf across the system. The C flag reports a total count instead of printing each match. Finally, we run a case-insensitive search for readme. The I flag matches readme, readme, and any other casing variation, all in a single instant query. You just created secret.txt, and locate refuses to admit it exists. That's because locate doesn't search your file system live. It queries a pre-built database that updatedb rebuilds on a schedule, usually once a day. That gap between file creation and the next updatedb run is a race condition window. Anything written during that window is invisible to locate, and anything deleted lingers in the database like a ghost until the next rebuild. Here's the uncomfortable part. That database is world readable. Any unprivileged user can run locate and instantly learn every file name under root. Every .file in any user's home directory. File contents stay locked, but the metadata leaks freely. System administrators fix this in /etc/updatedb.conf, setting prunpaths equals /root, and enabling prune_bind_mounts equals yes tells updatedb to skip sensitive directories entirely, so their file names never enter the index in the first place. Need fresh results right now? Skip the schedule and force a rebuild with sudo updatedb. The next locate query will reflect the current state of the file system within seconds. So the decision matrix is this. Locate gives you speed and breadth but costs you freshness and metadata privacy. Find gives you precision, live data, and full permission respect, at the price of raw speed. Pick the tool that matches the question you're actually asking.